Hello everyone! Let me show you how to draw a rainbow and cute clouds. You will need multicolored markers and some colored pencils. Take a black felt tip pen and draw 2 circles on the left side of the sheet of paper. These will be eyes. And draw 2 smaller circles into them. Now paint the space in black. Draw an arc. This will be the mouth for the cloud. Now draw the contours of the cloud. And next we draw a second cloud. Draw the eyes. We will draw a beautiful shine in them. Paint the eyes black. Draw a pretty smile. And finish painting the cloud. And subscribe! Now let's draw a rainbow. For example, you can draw a rainbow of 5, 6, 7 or more colors. Now make the contours of the clouds and the rainbow thicker. Take a light blue pencil and draw inside the clouds. Do you see how cute and funny clouds we get? Now draw rosy cheeks on the clouds with a pink pencil. Take a red felt tip pen, pencil or paints and paint the rainbow. Paint other colors of the rainbow. Do you see what a beautiful rainbow with clouds we've drawn? Take a picture of your drawing and share it on social media with the tag Helpful Arts and Crafts. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Come to the channel more often. I think you will find a lot of interesting things for yourself here.